Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to hide your Instagram followers list. So let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner and then tap on the three lines on the top right. And in here, just scroll down and here go to account's privacy. Now, as you can see, when your account is private, only followers that you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos on hashtag and location pages. And your followers and following lists, certain info on your profile, such as your profile picture and username, is visible to everyone on and off Instagram. So what you need to do is just to make sure you turn on your privacy or private account settings, and then your Instagram followers list will be hidden. Hope this video will help you out and hope to see you in the next video.